So I want to touch on what we've been talking about as far as content and keywords, and I want to talk about keyword placement because there's a lot of different places you can include keywords on your site without stuffing them. So we're going to look at this post that we've been working with throughout this course and just take a look at where keywords can be placed. And starting from the top, the first and foremost, the most important place is the title. Alright, Google puts a lot of weight into the title because that one line is supposed to describe the whole page strategically. So you really want to focus on putting your top keyword in your title, and you don't want to make it too long, you don't want to make it too short, you don't want to repeat words, things like that. Next, on this particular site, we have this heading, this header area where we have text here and then we have a slogan here. So if we were to keep this site like this, then we could utilize keywords here like we are: work from home, work for the work from home blog. But most sites will have an image for a logo, so this isn't very common, but you can use this if you want. H1 tags are probably the second most important place for keywords, and a lot of times the H1 tag will match the title or be close to it. And not only for search engine reasons, but the H1 tag is what the user sees first, so it should really encapsulate them and tell them what they're about to read. So next would be subheadings, or H2, H3, H4. Those are important as well. You want to have the different sections of your post to have headings, and of course you don't want to use H1 headings. You only want one H1 heading. So here we have, these are all H3s, and this is an H4 because it's basically part of this section. A post that has no headings, it's all text, is ugly looking, and it's not very informative. It doesn't attract the user. It's basically like like the page of a book. So you want to have headings. And next we have the actual copy, the content, where you should be utilizing keywords but not too much. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to stuff your paragraphs with keywords. You want to have quality content as a whole, not just specific keywords. Alright, so other places for keywords might be the footer. Maybe some links in the footer that link to a page that's relevant to the text of the link. So those are pretty much the places that you can utilize keywords. I want to show you this tool real quick, which tells you your keyword density and things like that. So I'm actually going to take this link and paste it in here, and it says pay special attention to the following keyword. So ours is home office organization. Okay, let's do this code YIU. Captcha failed. TFOSF. Alright, so this page looks like it's optimized for home office organization, okay, which is 17.3 density. That's not bad. Home office, home, office organization, office organization. So these are all words that are relevant to our post. You can see home office appeared the most. Home office organization is right behind it. So overall, it's optimized pretty well. It's found one time in 6 title words, one time in 22 meta description words, 3 times in 70 headings words. Alright, so that's the headings that we have on the page. Alt tags, that's good. Not found in image file names, so we could further optimize it and add the keyword to the image file name itself. And also not found in bold text, so we should actually bold some of those keywords as well. And then down here you have single words, home, office, organization. So our actual keyword is the top 3 singular words. Phrases, home office, office organization. This is 2 character phrases. 3 word phrases. Home office organization is at the top. So our post is really it's optimized pretty well. So I just wanted to show you guys this tool. It's really helpful. You might want to use it in some of your projects.